We're today in front of the water treatment facility that supports the water system for Prairie Point. The reason we're here today is because this is the site of the repairs to the iron filtration system, and that is the system that went offline in late February of 2018. And since then, we've been able to treat the water for iron using a polyphosphate solution. But at the end of the day, we're unable to remove the iron from the water. This is not a health hazard, but it does at times provide a discolorization to the water, and is not something that we want in our water systems in the long term, and so we are in the process of doing the repairs. We're in the final stages of that process now, and then we should be back to full normal operations by the end of June. We are also in the process of working with Round Lake, and we'll be establishing a cross-connect between our system and their system so that if in the future there was a problem with the Prairie Point water system, we'd be able to temporarily obtain water through Round Lake's system.
This is the location where we treat the Prairie Point water system. This is a pressurized iron removal filter. Water comes in through the top. There's sand and anthracite media inside. Water passes over that, removes the iron, comes out of the bottom, and is out to you guys. It is backwashed once a week, and the point of failure we believe happened during the backwash, and it was with this valve right here. It was opening too quickly, which was creating a water hammer. We've replaced this valve with a much easier to control valve, and we've also replaced this flow meter so we can see the amount, more accurately see the amount of flow going through the backwash process to prevent this from happening again. This valve here will prevent any water hammers from happening. Among the other repairs we made is we completely replaced the media inside these tanks with a new sand and gravel media. We also replaced a steel plate on the bottom that was obsolete with a concrete bed that will give us even less of a chance for failure for many more years.
Lake County does strive to provide the highest quality water that we can, and bringing this iron filtration system back into service is something that we've been aggressively working for, and I'm very happy to say we're almost there.